मेरे बाईं तरफ, on to my left, is the consignment of the confiscated drugs, that is 232 packets of narcotics, which is heroin. The operation has been going on for quite some time. There are reports in the media. What I have is the consolidated report for the benefit of all my colleagues who are here. Copy of the report, which I will be reading, will be handed over to you separately. What I will be speaking is the only that I have to speak. Nothing more to add. Little questions thereafter. No more questions I will be taking. Copy of the brief will be handed over. In a closely coordinated operation undertaken by the Indian Coast Guard and the Indian Navy, a boat carrying a large quantity of narcotics was apprehended in the international waters of the coast of Gujarat on 20th April 2015. The operation resulted in the apprehension of 8 Pakistani nationals who were manning the boat and are sitting on to right. The operation was initially launched on 18th April 2015 and was based on the intelligence input. The operation was conducted in close coordination by the Coast Guard Regional Headquarters Northwest, located at Gandhinagar, and the Headquarters Western Naval Command. Multiple units from the Indian Coast Guard and the Indian Navy were deployed for the operation, which included the ship where you are presently sitting, Indian Coast Guard ship Sangram, along with Indian Naval ship Nirgat and Kondul. The search for the suspected contact at sea was suitably augmented by extensive aerial surveillance provided by Coast Guard and naval aircraft air units, which included Dornier aircraft, ILs and P-8s. In a display of seamless coordination, the suspected boat was intercepted by the Indian Coast Guard ship Sangram on the wee hours of the morning of 20th April 2015. And thereafter, the boat was apprehended on the same morning at 0700 hours. During the apprehension process, Indian Naval ship Kondul provided the support. The initial investigations on board this ship, that is Indian Coast Guard ship Sangram, have led to recovery of 232 packets of narcotics suspected to be heroin, which is displayed onto my left. Each packet weighing about 1 kg, with a gross total of approximately 600 crore as the market value in the international market. Additionally, satellite communication sets, global positioning systems, which could have been used for transshipment of the contraband, have also been apprehended and confiscated and are displayed on the table ahead. The apprehended boat has been brought by ICJ Sangram today afternoon at Porbandar Harbour for further joint interrogation involving police, NCB, Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard and other stakeholders. On completion of the joint interrogation, it is planned to hand over the boat to the Narcotics Control Bureau. With this, I have finished with my part of reading. I have nothing more to add other than that the items which are there on the display are there available for you to shoot. The people on to the right, the crew who are there, they can be spoken to, and the boat which was used for smuggling purpose has been berthed on the jetty which is right ahead of the ship, and the access to the boat is open to the media personnel. On completion, interested personnel can visit that boat. With this, I have finished. Thank you very much.